Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you a dollhouse that I bought for just $20 in the year 2021 from my neighbor who was having a yard sale. Now there was something in here in the attic, but I just removed everything right now. Before I started filming, I removed everything. I never had changed the paper, and I think it's time to change it. As you can see, it has some smudges there, and so I want to place a different setting in here, probably change the paper up and everything. So this is the attic right now. It is empty, and I just love this little area here. Look at that. That is adorable. In real life, I wish I had a little room like that, you know, beautiful. So yes, so this is the attic. It is now empty to start a new creation. So that'll be, upcoming. Then I'll show you the rest of the house too. So I have a room here that's also going to change. You might remember this if you've been following me, but it's kind of messy in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove anything handmade that I've done and just place the real miniatures in there. This bed was a little makeover that I did. I made a little headboard for it, and I have better furniture than those there. So those are a little bit like on the flimsy side, So yeah, I want to change these up. You see, they don't match that set, so I want to make this match. And then I had made a little hallway here. There's no lighting in there. You see what I'm saying? So there needs to be some work in here. I had some lighting in there. It looked really nice with the lighting. Those are just cardboard doors that I made using stickers from the Dollar Tree. And then here I have to replace the battery for this bathroom, but it looks really nice when you light it up. And it has some straws with transparent paper dividing the sink and the toilet from the tub. Then here we have a lot of Halloween stuff going on. I just love this house. I really love this house. Look at that back part over there underneath the staircase. And look at the staircase. I like this bay window that it has there. Look at that. I love that bay window. So yeah, so I made this like a little Halloween house. But not entirely, because these are not Halloween themes up here. But I needed to display my Halloween things somewhere. So this is the kitchen. Oh yeah, the kitchen. I remember this kitchen looked really pretty. The roosters came off the walls. I'm using pill boxes as cabinets. And then I needed the kitchen pieces that were there. I needed them for another dollhouse, so that's why they're not there. But this was a nice kitchen before. So this whole house needs an entire makeover. And then look at all the craziness that's going on here. This here was like a jewelry box. I made it into a shelf. That's what I'm using it for. It came in handy. So these are those Halloween characters. So yeah, this needs a fresh new setting in here. So I will be working on this and bringing it back to you. And this is the side here. So this house backs up to the wall. There is no front to it. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. I love those windows. See, I never got to paint it either. I bought the paint and I've never painted it. So it needs to be worked on. And these are the stairs. There's a missing piece here to the side, which I have here. You see this piece? Just like that one, but you see that needs to be painted, and this goes there like that. See? That would be the entrance. So I never really worked on it. So let me show you what's underneath this house. This is a bonus that I'm giving you, a bonus. So I'm backing up, and this one is on top of the oldest house that I have, which I have been sharing with you the progress that I made down here. Right now the light is not on, but I already made a video on that. So this is the wooden house that my hubby made in 2014 for me, and I'm using this here as storage because I need to store my miniatures, my extra ones, somewhere. But anyway, this house here is resting on top of this one. This is a really strong house, you know what I'm saying? So I can rest that one on it and just have both of them here like that. And they are on this side here. This is a cabinet that has run in the family for ages. Well, I think this is it. So there will be changes in this house. So stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching.